Hello and welcome. My name's Melissa and I'm going to show you how I make some copper washer earrings. Now this is a basic design which you can build off of. You can build off of it by adding all sorts of elements. But for this video I'm just going to show you the basic design. I got this box of washers off Amazon. Comes with a variety of sizes. Bigger ones for pendants, smaller ones for earrings. I chose a thicker washer for the earrings today. I wanted to accommodate the little wire design I'm going to put on it. Your tools today, you're just going to need some pliers, some round nose pliers, chain nose pliers, some cutters. I'm going to use a hammer with a ball on the end here to put some texture on my washers. I have a stainless steel block and I use that to hammer my washers. If you don't have one, you can use anything flat and metal. Before I had this, I used the side of my hammer. Anyway, I'm going to go ahead and hammer now. And hammer until you're satisfied with the texture. Okay, that looks good. I've got some 20 gauge round copper wire here. I'm going to pull out two 3-inch lengths. You can also use 22 gauge depending on what size washers you picked. I'm going to go ahead and show you the basic frame. Take one of the wires and find the center. Don't totally bend it in half, but I'm going to put it on my round nose pliers. And bring the wires down. I'm going to have it down about halfway on my round nose pliers to give a good arch. Maybe press it so it's a little bit smaller. And I'll go ahead and do both while I'm here. Just so I can match them. Grab one of your washers, put it through the center from behind, have your loop come up the back so there's some room. And then bring your wires up. There, I'm starting to lose my loop. Maybe I'll put my round nose pliers in as a spacer. And then bring my wires up. And just keep bringing them around until you're satisfied with the number of wraps. I think we have enough wire for 3 times around. Yeah. 3 times around, which I like 3. Three's a good number. And bring this other guy up. Up and around, up and around. And smush them together, press them flat. And there's one of our earrings. And do the same with the second one. Okay, got both of them wrapped here. I went ahead and hammered another set, and I'll show you really quick how to add swirlies to your ends. Find the center. Just going to press it to make my loop. All right, same with the other one. Gently press it. And they should be matching. All right, and same with the other style. I'm going to bring it through my washer. Use my pliers as a spacer here. And bring my wires out. Bring them over. Bring them through the center again. Careful not to kink up your wire because we're going to put swirls in them. Just make sure your wraps are tight and smushed down. If you have a pair of nylon jaw pliers, you can pull these out a little bit straighter. Now we're going to make some swirlies. Gonna go ahead and cut some tapers into the ends. Now smooth them out a little bit with the thicker part of my round nose pliers, and then bring it back up to the tip and start swirling downward. Gonna go ahead and go to the other side. Smooth it out, then bring it up to the tip and twirl it. It should be somewhat matching. I'm going to come through with my flat nose pliers and coil them up even tighter. and press them down nice and tight. And do the same with the second one. I try not to kink them up, bringing them through the center here. Smooth it out and twirl it up. All right, so here's two basic copper washer earring designs. You can just leave as is if you want to, oxidize them, shine them up, or you can build on them and add beads or crystals. I'll link some videos that I've made in the past. I'll link them down below if you want to check those out to get some ideas. But make sure to subscribe, because I'm sure I'll make some new videos in the future with some more ideas you can use with these designs. So stay tuned for that. That's it for me. Leave a comment, let me know what you thought. Again, subscribe if you haven't already. Have a great week, and I'll see you next time. Bye.